There's a new blue aluminum case, this updated classic gold stainless steel finish, a new gray-black stainless steel called graphite, and for the first time, a stunning new Apple Watch product red. Sensor in Series 6 shines red and infrared light onto your wrist and measures the amount of light reflected back in just 15 seconds. And Series 6 also captures periodic background readings and stores them in your Health app. Inside Series 6 is our 6th generation system in package. It's a purpose-built design that's absolutely unique in the industry. It includes a high-performance dual-core processor based on the A13 Bionic in iPhone 11, but optimized for Apple Watch. The S6 is up to 20% faster than the previous generation.
The watch face is the most powerful and personal aspect of Apple Watch. Our approach to face design begins with a deep respect for the history of timekeeping. We combine that sense of craft with the powerful technologies and capabilities of Apple Watch to create these new faces. The GMT face shows multiple time zones at once and takes into account where you are. The Count Up face lets you start tracking elapsed time from any given point. And inspired by classic racing watches, the Chronograph Pro face features multiple time scales, including a tachymeter to measure speed based on time traveled over a set distance. In the Typograph face, numerals can be displayed in 3 custom type styles and 4 different scripts. Every combination is tailored to fit the face perfectly. We also collaborated with the artist Jeff McFetridge to create a unique piece of art for your watch. There are millions of combinations, and a different one animates when you raise your wrist. The Memoji face brings your favorite Memoji to your watch. Each one moves and reacts to your touch. And with the Stripes face, you can show your pride in who you are, support your favorite team, or even match what you're wearing. We're so proud to add to the legacy of Apple Watch faces with this new collection.
So if you're into surfing, there's a watch face for that, with apps like Dawn Patrol to check surf conditions. Or if you're into photography, there's a watch face for that, with apps like Lumi to help you track the sun's position. Or if you're a healthcare provider, there's a watch face for that, with apps like Notable to see your upcoming appointments. Watch faces have always been a great way to personalize your Apple Watch. Another is interchangeable bands. Now, traditional watch bands have a clasp or buckle, and they're limited to a few preset sizes for fit. Well, today, we're excited to introduce something completely different. We call it the Solo Loop. The Solo Loop is remarkably simple. No clasp, no buckle, no overlapping parts, just one continuous piece. Made from custom liquid silicone, the Solo Loop is stretchable so you can easily slip it on and off your wrist. It's available in a range of sizes so you can find your most comfortable fit. And it comes in 7 fantastic colors. The braided Solo Loop. It's made from 100% recycled yarn that's meticulously braided with ultra-thin silicone threads, and it will be available in 5 colors. We're also offering a new take on the leather band with the new leather link, with no loop back or clasp of any kind. There are also great new updates for Apple Watch Nike, with fun new sport band and sport loop colors, plus a new Nike watch face. And for Apple Watch Hermes, we're introducing the new alot band in both single tour and double tour. That's Apple Watch Series 6, the most advanced Apple Watch ever. We think you're going to love all the amazing new features. This year, we're doing 2 additional things to make Apple Watch available to even more people.
Family Setup. With Family Setup, you can use your iPhone to pair watches for your children or older members in your household who don't have their own phones. And they will have their own phone number and account. Family Setup enables greater independence for your kids or older parents. And you have the comfort of knowing they're just a call away. You get the safety and communication features that technology can deliver in a device that can be managed responsibly. For example, you can specify which contacts your kids can communicate with when using messages and more. And you can set up automatic location notifications. So whether it's grandma's house, school, or basketball practice, you'll get the reassurance your child is exactly where you expect them to be. To help them stay active, kids can now track move minutes and use all the other great features of activity and workout in a way that works best for them. Kids can create an emoji with just their watch and share it as stickers and messages or in the new Memoji watch face. Whether they're learning at home or in the classroom, the new school time mode helps kids stay focused with Do Not Disturb, restricted interaction, and this distinctive look, which teachers or parents can recognize at a glance. Family Setup requires a cellular model of Apple Watch Series 4 and later, and will be available at launch with these carrier partners in these regions around the world, with more coming later this year.
The second thing we're doing to make Apple Watch available to even more people is to create a new model that combines elements of Series 6 design with the most essential features of Apple Watch, all at a more affordable price. We call it Apple Watch SE. It has everything you need to stay connected, be more active, and keep an eye on your health. More information and apps on your watch face, more in messages, calendar, and maps, and larger and easier to read metrics while you're working out. And staying connected is even easier with the cellular models, which allow you to make phone calls and messages and more, even without your phone. Customers love using Apple Watch for fitness and working out, and Apple Watch SE has the same accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, and altimeter as Series 6. And because it has the latest motion sensors, Apple Watch SE also supports fall detection, a feature that's made a life-saving difference for many Apple Watch wearers. With all of these features and more, including the new capabilities in watchOS 7, we think Apple Watch SE will be the perfect watch for many new customers. Apple Watch SE starts at just $279. In addition, we're announcing Apple Card financing for Apple Watch so customers can easily pay across 24 monthly payments. Apple Watch Series 6 with the breakthrough new blood oxygen sensor starts at just $399, and Series 3 continues at its great entry price of just $199. With 3 great Apple Watch models to choose from, there really is an Apple Watch for everyone. So that's our lineup. Apple Watch Series 6 with a new blood oxygen sensor, the most advanced Apple Watch yet, and the very capable and affordable Apple Watch SE. You can order both today, and availability starts this Friday.
Imagine a future where one day machine learning will give you the power to track your sleep. Imagine.
Excuse me, ma'am?
Yes? Can I help you?
Yeah, this already does that.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Well, now you do.
Okay, let's try this again. It's all right, I'll start again. Imagine one day a tiny device with an optical sensor will send you an alert if your heart rate is too low. Yes? What?
It already does that.
What? Oh, okay. Well, how about we'll send you an alert if your heart rate is too high?
It already does that!
All right, let's try something new. We'll send you an alert if you're someplace that's too loud!
I just received one of those alerts.
Really? Well, you should probably find a quieter place, sir.
You should probably mind your own business.
Ugh. Okay, imagine one day in the future.
Hold on.
No, let me finish.
1 second.
You'll be able to take an ECG.
It already does that.
It already does that.
I heard that.
Good. What about continuously track your elevation? Does it do that?
Does that.
Right, got it.
Does that.
Thank you.
Does that.
Yep, heard it the first time. Encourages you to stay fit.
Does that.
Okay, I get it. You're fit. I don't know. Will it automatically call 911 if a bear chases you off a cliff and you take a hard fall?
Yeah, already does that.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
You gotta be kidding me. Okay. I got it. Let's go from the top. Imagine a day, a future. Imagine a future. One day, tiny device, blah, 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 that uses red and infrared light to measure your blood oxygen level. Yes? What? No. Don't you dare say it. I'm sorry, I can't hear you! Very cute. Well, that was fun.
Since the beginning, one of the most profound impacts Apple Watch has had is helping people be more active. We've been working on something that will motivate and inspire you even more on your fitness journey. And here's Jay to tell you all about it.
We hear from people who have become healthier just by closing their activity rings each day. And friends and family who are able to motivate each other and stay connected, even from far away, with activity sharing. And then there are our most competitive Apple Watch users who love earning awards and challenging each other to get fit. So we are creating amazing workouts with incredible music delivered by the world's best trainers.
Workout, trainer, time.
Workout, trainer,
Thank you for sweating out with us.
time, music.
With Fitness Plus, you simply choose the workout you want to do from the catalog of videos on your iPhone, iPad, or Apple TV. And when you start the video, it automatically starts the correct workout in your Apple Watch workout app. So you have all of your data on your wrist and on the screen in front of you. And your metrics come to life to keep you motivated. For example, when the trainer reminds you to check your heart rate, your numbers get larger, making it easy to see the details you need. When you're in the middle of a tough interval, you see a countdown timer to motivate you to push through every last second. Your activity rings are also right on the screen, so you can see how your workout is helping you make progress towards closing your rings for the day. And if you happen to close one of your rings in the middle of your workout, you won't miss the celebration. You'll see it in real time right on the screen. It's shown right on the summary screen. Calories burned, average heart rate, distance, pace, even your current activity rings. Yoga, cycling, dance, treadmill walk and treadmill run, strength, core, HIIT, rowing, and even mindful cooldowns. You can do them wherever it's convenient for you. At home, the gym, outside, or even when you're traveling. Each week, our incredible trainer team will deliver a wide variety of workouts from the Fitness Plus studio to help keep you engaged. And if you're also an Apple Music subscriber, it's easy to save the playlist from Fitness Plus and then listen to them later in Apple Music, whether you're working out or not. The program will help you get started, learn the basics of movement and fitness, and get you safely ready for the studio workouts. So they're all located inside the Fitness app on the iPhone, right in the center tab. And you can access the same workouts from the new Fitness app on your iPad and Apple TV. Intelligent suggestions will make it easy to find what you like, and also encourage you to discover new trainers and new workouts to balance out your routine. You get 10 different types of studio workouts, so there's something for everyone. Incredible music built into each workout to keep you moving, and the world's best trainers. The price is $9.99 per month, or just $79.99 for a whole year. And your family will also be able to enjoy Fitness Plus for no additional charge. Fitness Plus will be available in these countries at launch. The service will be available before the end of the year. And for those purchasing a new Apple Watch, you get Fitness Plus free for 3 months to help make 2021 your fittest and healthiest year ever.